expectations are sometimes default, sometimes mostly default. ठीक है कि वो अपने आप ही हो जाता है. Like for example, again this a person I'm talking to, I'll be like कि हाँ ठीक है, I expect something. मतलब वो अपने आप हो जाता है. ये नहीं कि मैं तो कुछ expect ही नहीं कर रही, but अंदर ही अंदर कितना तुम मना करो तुम कर रहे हो expect.
हाँ true.
So about that.
यार वो expectations control करना सीखना पड़ेगा.
Do you know this area very well?
Sort of.
मेरे को भी नहीं पता कहाँ गाड़ी
इसलिए यार बचपन से आ रहे हैं. Anyway, वो कंट्रोल करना सीखना पड़ेगा यार.
हाँ.
Because अगर वो नहीं होएगा then वो neediness, see, एक तो जहाँ भी neediness फील हो गई ना किसी भी दूसरे बंदे को, goes for guys and girls both, उससे ज्यादा resentful चीज कुछ नहीं होती. Alright, anytime somebody gets needy and desperate, you will almost all the time push the other person away, irrespective of gender. Alright, तो desperation तो कभी नहीं होना है. And then if something, I mean उसमें ideally, yeah, just don't be desperate basically.
Right.
और वो जो expectations हैं उसमें अगर वो आ रहा है at least दिखाओ मत. And with time it needs to be a mental discipline कि यार because ये work कर ही नहीं रहा है तो I've got to learn how the world works now.
Yeah.
Right, for you to, let's say you're doing you're like pitching an investor. There's a proper time and place to do it, and there's a way to do it. Now you got to learn how you got to pitch properly. So here in the dating sexual realm, social sexual dating romantic realm, you got to learn the tricks of the trade again.
Right. And
कोई tricks भी नहीं है पता. It's just understanding how human beings function and work. So if human beings don't like desperation, all right, then we'll not do that, no?
Yeah, but again, how do we figure out कि मतलब चलो ठीक है, that person is also investing their time. तो now, okay, I have had this experience. This one person I was interested in, but हमारी बहुत बात हो रही थी, सब हो रहा था.
Right.
And थोड़ा मेरे को clarity नहीं था where this is going. How to figure that out, because वो बंदा भी invest कर रहा है.
ठीक है, so like did something happen? Did he say something that
no,
I like you? Did you guys hold hands? Were you touching?
This is COVID time, just
COVID time. Again, जब कोई बात ही नहीं है, do not expect anything.
कोई बात ही नहीं है
मतलब जब कुछ असली में हुआ ही नहीं है.
हाँ. But again, if that person is investing their time also, they are talking to me अच्छे से, सब बढ़िया चल रहा है.
उसमें भी ना, see, we've tried telling the guy that I really like you, tell me what this is, do you like me back? But more often than not,
so
it's gonna be,
according to you, should I initiate?
नहीं. Okay. Because वो work नहीं करेगा more often than not. अब इसमें अगर किसी को पसंद नहीं है कि नहीं, why shouldn't the girl initiate this and that, यार अगर work कर रहा है तो कर लो सुकृति. But अगर नहीं कर रहा है then
but this has never worked. I have always initiated.
It will not work. It shall not work.
But then I've heard guys who say कि हाँ हमें अच्छा लगता है when girls ask us out.
वो depend करता है ना, वो भी एक time होता है कब अच्छा लगता है कब नहीं. Like you want some interest from the guy. Just spending time with you is not enough interest. Okay.
Right.
और एक तो COVID time में क्या, I mean phone पे did it ever get to like phone sex or something?
I am very virgin, just saying.
Right. So if no that's okay. What I'm saying is, if there is no sexual tension, what is the difference between you being friends with that guy and being romantically involved with that guy?
Right.
ठीक है.
Right.
I mean एक sexual tension तो होना चाहिए. Heart emojis, kisses, kiss emojis.
वो इंसान emojis नहीं
baby,
use
I miss
करता.
you.
उनके
salutation at least baby बोल रहा है.
नहीं.
मैं सबको baby बोलता हूँ.
अच्छा.
मैं अपने छोटे भाई को बेबी बोलता हूँ, मैं अपनी बहन को बेबी बोलता हूँ, मैं लड़कियों को बेबी बोलता हूँ, और मैं बंदों को बाबा बोलता हूँ. बेबी बाबा नहीं बल्लू बन जाऊंगा.
Oh God. Yeah. I'm getting the point.
So do not उसमें मत फंसो. अगर सामने वाला कुछ दिखाई नहीं रहा है तो कुछ स्पेसिफिक इंटरेस्ट ना, और एक ही बंदे के पीछे क्यों पड़े हुए हो? You snooze you lose वाले कॉन्सेप्ट में घुसो.
I have moved on from that guy.
That's good. मैं तो बोलूँगा 3-4 ऑप्शन रखो and then see किसके साथ वर्कआउट करे so that you
अभी
don't get
I have another option which I'm trying on.
थोड़े और बढ़ा लो.
थोड़े और बढ़ा लो.
और आप क्यों ट्राई कर रहे हो? बंदे ठरके होते हैं, उनको करने दो ट्राई.